Slight problem. We've got a problem with our dishwasher. This ready light, the active light, has been blinking all night, and I mean it, overnight, and our pump has been also pumping overnight, and not draining any water whatsoever, and it's still draining even though I've opened the door. See? Still full of water, and I don't understand what the problem is. In fact, I'm just gonna... Oh, yuck. It's got lots of gunge in it. There. Don't understand what happened there. To me, it looks like the pump is cut. It's not draining all the gunk. Because, as you can see, we still got water in our dishwasher, and now it's filling up. We don't want it to. So I'm going to drain it, but it's not draining, so I don't understand what the problem is. You got a problem with that? Okay, I've resetted it, but no water's drained what's in the dishwasher, whatever. It's all blocked. I guess the draining pipe's either blocked up or there's a fault with the drain system. So if anyone has any ideas that they could help me solve it, can you send me some comments on YouTube, please? Thanks for watching. Bye.